Good afternoon, our Facebook friends. This afternoon, the topic of my discussion is how can I save your silly-ass brother from going to jail after he committed a silly-ass crime. 80% of people who are arrested for crimes have in fact committed at least one crime. Every one of those people are facing jail or prison. With jail or prison, you face the loss of your freedom, the loss of your job, the loss of your family, and you have people who call Wallin Klarich call us for one reason. How can I help you not go to jail and not ruin your life? And the answer is, over the last 35 years, we've helped over 50,000 people not ruin their life, even though the day they got arrested, they thought they were going to kill themselves because they thought they had ruined their life by making one stupid mistake. If you get a law firm like Wallin Klarich, who knows the many alternatives to jail time, we can help you, in many cases, avoid a long jail sentence and everything that goes with it. Just in the last few years, I made a list of all the different cases where we've been able to turn people's life around even though they made a stupid mistake. For example, instead of jail time, we've been able to get many clients pay to stay jail. And what that means is there are certain jails in Southern California that we can get you into in an appropriate case where you pay some money, you actually stay in a mini hotel that looks like a mini jail, you leave in the morning, you come back at night, you do your job, you see your family. So you're doing jail time, but you're not doing jail time because you're saving everything you need. Another thing we've done for many clients facing jail time is home confinement. And as silly as that sounds, because most people would say, home confinement, how is that punishment? We've been able to pull that off for many of our clients. And that means instead of 90 days in the jail, you sit on the couch and watching TV programs. And that counts as day-per-day credit. Many people who work from home can work on the internet, and they have no problems keeping their job, and of course they see their family. There are many other things like that. There are work release, there's weekend confinement to help them keep their life as normal as possible. So while most people think it's the end of the world, it's most of the time when you come to Wallin Klarich, the very worst day is the first day you walk in our office. And it's also the very best day, because we explained to you it doesn't have to be the end of the world if you follow our advice. This applies to many kinds of cases, especially drug cases. California is now saying, by their new laws, that we don't want to put too many people in jail for drug offenses. Now, that doesn't apply to sales of mass quantities of drugs. The DA's office definitely wants to put your ass in jail for that. But for things less than that, there are many alternatives that Wallin Klarich knows about and we use on a regular basis to get our clients in drug programs, rehabilitation, and many different things, rehab centers that avoids them going to jail. So just because you have committed a crime or a loved one has committed a crime, please do not think you are going to have to ruin your life and go to jail and have a serious criminal record. Because with law firms like Wallin Klarich out there, who care about your future and the future of your family, there are many alternatives. Go to wklaw.com and you can read about a list of 15 different alternatives. We have avoided our clients from going to jail and losing their job and their families by getting people into these alternative programs. wklaw.com, call us. You can live chat with me anytime on our website, and have a great week.